This is main interest of historical Chowkandi Graveyard. And on this beautiful, breezy evening, we are going to explore it more with my son Musa and his mom. So let's see how it goes. I am headed towards main tomb, and meanwhile you can see the beautiful architecture of graves. It is quite astonishing and wonderful. I came to know that this graveyard is almost 300 to 400 years old, and it belongs to the Baloach tribes. Well, in my mind, I was expecting that it will be around 1000 year old, but I was wrong. Beside us, some other visitors were also present at the graveyard, which was relaxing. Having sighted this beautiful tomb was quite amazing, and here you can see the details of architecture of these graves present at this historical graveyard. You can see the details, how detailed are these graves. They made them in such an amazing and astonishing detail. This is local stone and work on the stone. You can see the art and the work and how much detailed it is. It is quite astonishing and amazing. Well, I see different graves with some different architecture, but couldn't figure out that why and what is the reason behind of difference in architecture. Some graves are long and tall, while other are in medium. My son Musa is also enjoying the spot.
आपको अच्छी लगी ये जगह मूसा अच्छी लगी है ना
मूसा कहाँ है
मूसा बहुत जबरदस्त जगह हिस्टोरिकल है कि नहीं है
This is the tomb of Murid bin Haji, the main tomb, and it is quite astonishing and quite beautiful architecture. Here you can see the population. Here is another view of this historical graveyard.
coming over here
I was so amused and so
Let's see how it ends.
astonished as well.
क्या देखा है मुझे ने
Here you can see another beautiful view of this graveyard and tombs. This is what I was mentioning, that there is a difference between the graves, which most likely shows the social status of the people who are buried in these graves. The people with higher social status have big graves with slightly different architecture. Here you can see one grave with side walls as well. Here you can see the roof of the tomb of Murid, which is quite beautiful example of architecture. The stone used to build these graves is local stone, I think, and more precisely, this is the local stone locally available. So they crafted and used it in these graves with astonishing detail. This is amazing architecture. Quite beautiful, quite amazing. It made our night so beautiful this evening, so astonishing. My family alongside me was also so amused. They were reluctant to visit this graveyard because it is quite it is not considered as good as it could be to visit a graveyard with family in Karachi due to the situations sometime created over here, law and order situations. But keeping all worries aside, I decided to visit the place alongside my family, and here we are. Me and my family both, we are happy to visit this graveyard on this evening, and it was a memorable memory, and it is a memorable memory, and for sure we are going to remind it for decades, inshallah. And I am very happy to share these moments with you alongside my son Musa and my wife. So here we were trying to capture some views. There is a shrine of some Baloach as well in the Chowkandi Graveyard, so I captured that as well and prayed over here as well. Due to absence of signboard and any person who can tell us more about the grave, so I am unaware of who he is. Thank you very much. I am hopeful that you enjoyed our trip and get some knowledge as well. See you again. Thank you very much.